I see traders literally one click away from quitting forever. Every single week, no joke, I get a message, they're drawing down losses and 100% convinced that the whole financial freedom thing is a complete lie. Their account is heading to zero, they're confident it's gone, and every single chart, they look like a puzzle that they can't solve. I see them totally alone, just staring at the screen in the middle of the night, feeling every single loss, and then I get one moment where everything changed for them. This feeling of completely being alone. So many traders just go through it, but nobody ever talks about it. You're fed up with the crazy idea of a lone wolf trader, some genuine who conquer in the market at the dark room. But the reality is almost everyone is in this crazy cycle of hope, confusion, and losing money. You watch all the videos, you buy the courses, you're trying piece by piece to get them together the strategy from 20 different gurus. All of them says the opposite things. You are you have more information than ever. But where you've been the most lost. This isn't just a bad start, it's that spiraled for every single dream that you have. And while things are like not having enough money or bad risk management are huge reasons for people to fail, the real problem is a psychological trap of doing it all yourself. But what if I told you your solution isn't some new indicator of or secret strategies, something way more powerful? Let's be real. What is actual look like to trade alone? It's staying up until 2 a.m. with your eyes burning, trying to figure a way out to trade and look for perfect completely trades, and most of the time it fails. And just a gut punch feeling when you get stopped out. Only watch the market immediately goes the direction that you did not predict it. It's being so scared of making another mistake that you watch 5% trader fly by without you. But the mental game is where the traders really lost. Every single win just feels like a random luck, and every loss feels like they're in fault. You have no one to turn to and ask, "Hey, how do you see this? How did I mess it up?" You're trapped in your own head with your own fears. And when you win, your ego goes crazy, pushing you to make a bigger, dumber risks. And when you're losing, you start revenge trading, making insane moves, trying to win money back, which makes everything worse. The biggest risk in the market isn't a bad strategy, it's you with no one to stop you. And you are being bombarded with information. One YouTube video says only use this indicator, the next video says that the indicator is a garbage, and basically you only use price action. Some guys on Twitter selling you crypto signals that can lose, while your blog saying something else entirely. This doesn't just make you confused, it makes you it makes you do nothing. You have a zero consistency. You jump from one strategy to the next, never giving anyone everything a chance to actually work because you have no one to guide you. Trading alone is like trying to build a skyscraper with no crew and no blueprint. You're just stacking bricks and praying that it just doesn't fall, and all comes together and eventually all crash down. For most people, this is how it goes. After seeing so many talented traders failed for exact same reasons, I know some things had to change. I created an online trading community. As you guys know, we have our community on WAP and our community on Discord, because I was tired of watching people destroying themselves and make mistakes that easily avoided with the right support system. This is why I built it. A good trading community isn't just a chat room, isn't its entire ecosystem we design to destroy every single weakness a solo trader has. It is have most powerful tool, turning failures into winning. First, we provide insane amount of shared knowledge and real-time insights. As you guys know, we publish every day. We go live every day. We share in our experience every day within the community as well. Those of you who are joined the Discord can testify themselves. Of course, beyond the signals and beyond what we share in the group, there's massive shared knowledge and real-time insights. Instead of trying guessing what the market is doing, you suddenly have dozens of people looking at the same chart. A setup member isn't sure about get confirmed by the another call it confirmed by 3 other props or pros. It's collectively brain power helps you to spot the best setup and makes your learning curve go vertical. You learn from other people mistakes without having to pay them. It's having a team of pros analyzers working for you 24/7. Next, we're giving up ultimate weapon against mind games, emotional and psychological support. As you guys obviously see our videos, training is a mental war, and finding it alone is impossible. In our community, you're not only one who gets scared feels, or if you feel the pain of loss when you are losing, on your losing days. You have people who remind you it isn't a part. It's basically a part of the game, and it's and to stick to your plan. The support builds level of confidence you just can't find yourself. We celebrate wins together and breaks down losses as a group with the learning curves and learning lessons. We shared wins and losses, which basically completely stops the emotional decision that blows up your account. Then the biggest game changer, we're building accountability and discipline. It's easy. It's so easy to break your own rules when nobody is watching you, but when you are in the group where they shared the plan and review the trades, everything changes. Other members will call you out if you make a stupid impulsive mistakes or impulsive trade. They'll ask you, why didn't you stick to your plan? It's this accountability forces you to level of a discipline that if almost impossible to get by yourself. It's forced you to build up a flow and risk management plan, the secret for long time winning. Finally, we offer structured learning and mentorship. A good community gets rid of all the noise online. We gives you a clear path with the best education videos, webinars, courses, and live trading session with pros to tell you exactly why they are making those trades. You can ask questions and get answers from mentors and who's already made it. It's just isn't about a random tip. It's about building a trading business on a proven principle. So what happened after you trade? After trader joined our community, the change isn't overnight, of course, but it's a massive change. The anxiety that we see almost in everyone who joined start to disappear and replaced by actual confidence. This accounts, which looks like a terrifying cliff dive, slowly flatten out, and then they start to go up. It's not because we gave them some magic indicators, because the entire process is completely different. Instead of randomly hunting for a trade, they slow and they show up every day with a clear path that they have already discussed with the group. I'll never forget seeing one trader was about to go all in. A veteran member of our group pointed out a massive news event was happening in 2 minutes, something he completely missed. He was told to wait. The trader waited, dodged a huge loss, and entered later for an easy, profitable trade. That one comment literally saved him for more than just the money. It taught him a risk lesson and risk management he will never forget. The trading journal stop being a list of their failures, become a tool of winnings. They post their weekly reviews, and instead of just starting at their mistakes, they get real feedback. Look like they're getting into an early on these. Something says like, I'll try waiting to confirmation on this chart instead. The feedback looks loops is priceless. The decision becomes logical, not emotional. They are not gambling anymore. They are running business with the whole team helping them. The idea of a lone wolf trader is completely myth. It's fake. While you are the one who's clicking the mouse, if you don't get there yourself, success is a game. It is a game. It's almost never found alone, and it's found with a team, with shared knowledge, with support. The trading community gives you structure, the discipline, and the mental strength that are real sacred to a long career in these markets. You can keep trying to do it alone, finding the stress and the confusion with the odds stacks against you, or you can make a single greatest investment in your trading career. You can find a team. Stop trade alone. Start building the edge with power community. Power of community. It's so priceless. The learning curve is steep, but it's thousands times more easy to climb when you're not doing it yourself. If you are done going it alone and you're ready to see how community can completely change your trading, click the link in the description right now and join our private trading community. We focus on a real strategy on insane risk management and actually support each other. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because you do not want to miss what's coming next, and I will see you on the next one.